Once again, y'all, welcome to NeverQuitMath.com. Today's lesson, translating symbols into words. Let's start on the left side first. A lot of these are self-explanatory. A equals B, straight up. A is equal to B. When you see the slash through the equal sign, though, the slash represents not. So it means A is not equal to B, as you can see written out there. A is less than B. That's a normal sign a lot of us are familiar with. If you have any trouble with these, always remember that the two things, they open up towards the bigger one. All right, A is actually greater than B, as you can see, is opening up towards the A. A is less than or equal to. When you see that line on the bottom right there, that means less than or equal to B. And same goes for the other way around. A is greater than or equal to B. And over here we got A is not less than B. In general, when you see the slash through any one of the symbols, whether it be greater than or equal to, or equal to sign, that generally means the not goes in front of what you normally say. So moving over to this side with the operations, whenever you're adding two things, the answer you get is called the sum. So that's why when you have A plus B, we got the sum of A and B. Same thing when you subtract one thing from another, the answer you get is called a difference. So that's why this is the difference of A and B. All these forms here, when you see two letters, which of course represent numbers, whenever they next to each other close like this, on parentheses or in any of these forms, that means the product of A and B. What is the product? The answer of a multiplication. Over here, these are the different formats in which you can find division. This is the traditional one. This is the A/B you'll see on most computers. And this is A divided by B. We're familiar with this. And fractions. Every fraction is actually a division problem. And the answer to the division problem is really the quotient of A and B. Use it as just like a chart that you can refer back to, and it's pretty straightforward and self-explanatory. All right, see you guys on the next lesson.